Welcome to StockSync. Today, we'll guide you through the REST API connection method on step 1. Begin by entering the endpoint URL into the designated field. Use the format like endpoint URL placeholder. For the HTTP method, select Get from the available options from the documentation. Now, choose the authorization type. Options range from no auth, basic auth to bearer token, and more. For this tutorial, select basic auth and input the username and password. If your API request needs additional headers or query parameters, add them here. Fill out the key and value fields as required. Then, body raw needs to fill up when there is. In terms of file format, StockSync is set to auto-detect. For unique or compressed files, make sure to manually adjust this setting. Check the file encoding settings. If your feed file uses a specific encoding, select it from the list. If your feed file includes a header, enable the first row is header option. Once you've made all the necessary selections, simply click Next to continue.